Today I built my Vkar Bison here, and you can see the damage. And this is, I think, the right arm is totally detached from this part, this aluminum. So I have to fix this. So I will show you guys how to fix this. For fixing this, you have to open this thing, okay, and then you can put this thing back to this position. Otherwise it's not possible to do it. Okay, so I will show you guys how to place this part back out in this position, okay, just like here. And this happens day before yesterday after one small jump, I don't know, but this is the common problem in Vkar Bison. But the good thing is you can fix this thing without any problem. But here I think I need this rubber, but I will try to fix without this rubber, and then I will see if there is a problem. Then otherwise I have to bring this part, okay. I don't think so we need to open this. I think I can fix it without this. I will try my best, guys. This is a difficult part. Guys, my technique is not good. In YouTube you will not find such videos, how to open, how to close. You will see only the videos which are like, easy peasy. You will not find any video which will guide you properly. This is the problem of YouTube. I think I have to open this thing to open this bad boy. I'll put the screws here. guys, you can see you have to open this, and then if you open this, then you can fix this right arm. So you have to open this aluminum clip, what you called. I'm very bad in these terminology. Hi guys, I removed this front bumper where you can see these LEDs. So after the removal you will see this clip, so you will open this and I will show you how to open this. Okay. Screwdrivers are very bad quality, made in China, but worst quality of China. Very cheap, cheap.